Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I am beyond excited to share something truly magical with you all. Have you ever felt the urge to reconnect with nature, to heal your mind, body, and soul from the ground up? Well, you're in for a treat because we have something truly special to introduce to you today: the Healing from the Ground Up, the magic of the Medicinal Garden Kit. Feast your eyes on this exquisite kit. It's not just a collection of seeds and soil, it's a gateway to a world of holistic healing and well-being. Let's take a closer look, shall we? Inside this beautifully curated package, you'll find everything you need to start your very own medicinal garden, from aromatic herbs to soothing flowers and healing plants. But what truly sets this kit apart is the wisdom and intention behind each component. Imagine having aloe vera on hand for soothing sunburns, lavender for relaxation, or chamomile for a calming cup of tea. These are just a few examples of the incredible healing power that lies within this kit. Not only will you be nurturing your body with these natural remedies, but you'll also be nurturing your soul by connecting with the earth and the cycles of nature. I have to share a personal story with you all. Ever since I started my own medicinal garden using this kit, I've noticed a profound shift in my overall well-being. Not only do I feel more grounded and connected to the earth, but I've also experienced a significant improvement in my physical health. It's truly been a transformative journey, and I'm so grateful to have discovered the magic of this medicinal garden kit. So, if you're ready to embark on your own journey of healing from the ground up, I urge you to click the link in the description below to get your hands on the Healing from the Ground Up, the magic of the Medicinal Garden Kit today. Trust me, your mind, body, and soul will thank you for it. Thank you so much for tuning in today, lovely souls.